Welcome to episode 2 of our full-time travel vlog. This is week 2 of 4 in Bangkok, Thailand. After a very exciting first week in Bangkok, we decided to check out one of the popular dinner cruises on the Chao Praya River, explore the popular ICONSIAM Mall, enjoy the view from another of Bangkok's stunning rooftop bars, and attend an appointment with a Bangkok dentist to get a teeth cleaning. For the dinner cruise, we booked with White Orchid, which departs from an area called Asiatique. We arrived early for our cruise so that we could check out the area and see what it has to offer. There's a lot there, including shops, restaurants, and a giant Ferris wheel. It definitely caters to tourists and is priced accordingly, but it's a swanky area to spend some time before your dinner cruise. We checked in about 30 minutes prior to our cruise, then had a drink at one of the many waterside restaurants before boarding the boat to enjoy our 2-hour sunset dinner cruise. We were promptly seated at our table on the top deck, where we started right off with an all-you-can-eat buffet as the boat departed. The food was tasty and included traditional Thai dishes, grilled river prawns, and lots of other delicious choices. After we finished our meal, we sat back and enjoyed the cruise up and down the Chao Praya River. We passed many of Bangkok's famous landmarks like ICONSIAM and Water Rune while the sun set. There was also entertainment on the cruise, although it was average, but it's really pleasant to have accompaniment to go along with the amazing views. After we returned to the dock, we stopped to listen to some excellent live music and see some unexpected fireworks. After getting a peek at the ICONSIAM Mall on our dinner cruise, a few days later we decided to make it over to see what the hype is all about. ICONSIAM Mall is a world-class shopping destination featuring an array of shopping choices for any budget, some unique food options, including an entire food court with varying cuisines from the many regions of Thailand, and a stunning riverside view. It is definitely a must-see for tourists and locals alike. We then headed next door to the Millennium Hilton to enjoy the hotel's rooftop view of the Chao Praya River and central Bangkok. The last big event of the week was to head to a local dentist to get my biannual teeth cleaning. The experience was great, with the dentist doing the cleaning herself, and the price was very affordable. We heard about this hidden bar in the Silom neighborhood, which has a rooftop view of the BTS Skytrain track, with trains continually passing by throughout the night. The bar, Unculture Silom Rooftop Bar, or formerly known as Troc Silom, also features regular live music, and there was an exceptional band performing the night we were there. The drinks were great, and the view was superbly unique. Throughout our stay in Bangkok, we've been impressed with the consistent cleanliness of the bathrooms, both public and private. It's a big difference from the crapshoot, pun intended, of which you can encounter in the US. Like many countries, you cannot flush toilet paper down the toilet, but Thailand has a solution for this issue. Each toilet comes with a bum gun, which is a handheld bidet. When you're deciding where to stay for your Bangkok visit, we highly recommend that you stay near the BTS Skytrain, specifically the Sukhumvit Green Line, which primarily runs along Sukhumvit Road. Many of the sites, restaurants, malls, and shops are situated near the BTS and along Sukhumvit Road, providing easy access for things to do around the city.